In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll to hit display. Now scroll again, this time to click on font size and style. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!